Top 5 digital banks with its updated interest rate this 2025. Kung meron pa kayong perang naiitago dyan sa bahay nyo, this is your sign para i-deposit na yan sa digital banks with high interest rates. Take note guys that this is based on our research and personal experience. Top 5 on the list is CIMB. It is a Malaysian universal bank based in Kuala Lumpur and it provides 2.6% base interest rate per annum. And yung crediting ng interest rate ni CIMB, that's monthly. Top 4 on the list is GoTime. It was launched in 2022 in partnership with Gokongwei Group and Singapore-based company named TimeBank. This digital bank provides 3.5% interest rate per annum with monthly crediting of interest. Top 3 on the list is OwnBank. It is a digital banking platform of Rural Bank of Cavite City Incorporated, and this specific digital bank provides 3.8% interest rate per annum with daily crediting of interest. Top 2 digital bank is Maya. It is one of the leading digital banks here in the Philippines which provides 3.5% interest rate per annum, but there is an ongoing promotion wherein you can earn up to 15% interest rate per annum basta ma-accomplish nyo lahat ng task provided. And when it comes to their interest crediting guys, that's daily. And last but not the least, our top 1 digital bank is SeaBank. Dati siyang Bangko Laguna Incorporated, which is now owned by Sea Group. And this specific digital bank provides 4% interest rate per annum for deposits up to 400,000 pesos. And any excess, you'll earn 3% interest rate per annum. And the interest crediting dito sa SeaBank, it's daily. And if you want to try SeaBank guys, simply download it from your phone and use our referral code na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen para maka-earn kayo ng 50 pesos after you deposit 1,000 pesos and hold it for at least 3 days. And take note guys, lahat ng digital banks na na-mention namin ay PDIC insured and BSP regulated, kaya nakakasigurado kayo na safe yung pera ninyo na i-deposit sa mga digital banks.